Hello guys, today I will tell you how to receive USDT TRC20 in Binance. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is launch your Binance mobile application and log into your account. Tap the add funds option visible on your main screen to begin the deposit process. Select deposit crypto from the available options to access cryptocurrency deposit. Use the search bar to find USDT and select it from the search results. Choose the network option from the available choices and select tier 1, which is TRC20. This displays your unique TRC20 deposit address along with a QR code for scanning. Copy this deposit address carefully to avoid any errors in the transfer process. Open the wallet or exchange from which you're sending USDT, such as Trust Wallet. Search for USDT and specifically select the Tier 1 network version of USDT. Tap send and paste the Binance deposit address you previously copied. Enter the exact amount of USDT you wish to transfer to your Binance account. Review all details carefully before confirming the transaction to ensure network compatibility. And that's how you receive USDT TRC20 in the Binance app.